How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can disable the raft in the Elegoo Slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your project. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And basically, it's going to be extremely simple. Head over to the scythe categories, which will have the quality, strength, speed, and more. So in our case, we want to head over to support. Inside this page, you have your raft layers. So if it's set into something like maybe 5 layers, and then let's click on the slice plate option, we will be able to see the raft right here. So if you simply want to disable this, you want to turn this into something like 0. And if you click on the slice plate option once more, it will then disable those rafts right here. And so that's how easy it is to do. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.